Horsepower TV. We are hammering down around the freeway at a dangerously high rate of speed. Hey, I get asked quite a bit by as many other freight haulers, different types of trucking industry, as well as people in the cars and stuff. So why is it when we see a cow truck rolling down the highway, you guys are even passing the Greyhounds? And it doesn't seem like you ever get pulled over. Well, we do and have gotten pulled over every now and then, but a lot of times they will leave us alone for the reason we're driving like we are is these trailers are designed to let the air flow through the trailer to keep the animals cool. When we stop, there's no airflow, so the animals can suffocate. And so we've got to keep and maintain a speed so that the air keeps flowing through the trailer. If we're in traffic and all that kind of stuff, and we're not, in slow traffic, we're still getting the airflow. So it's not. That's the number one reason. It's not just because we want to drive fast. Is we're doing it for the animals, and we will try and stay out of traffic, or not do it in heavy traffic. I guess is what I'm trying to say. Do it in a reasonable fashion so that we're not endangering everybody else around us. But that's why we drive like we do. It is 100% for the animals, for their safety and well-being, to get them from point A to point B as fast as we can and get them off of the truck so they can get back on feed and water. So the answer to your question, that's why we drive like we do. Do we have special rules? Not in the speeding category. We do have exemptions as far as how many hours of service. We can drive quite a while. If you did it right, you could almost run 24 hours a day with a nap here and there. So we do have certain exemptions that are different than what they do in the normal trucking industry. But when you see us going down the freeway and we're hauling ass and we're loaded, that's why. Now, if we're empty and we're hauling ass, well, then it's just because that's what we want to do. Because it's fun to haul ass. Get out there in the left lane and hammer on it, boys. That's what we do best. But anyway, if you're wondering why we do what we do, that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys all next week. Bye.